In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money like that by coloring images and removing background from images. So in this video, I'm going to show you the free tools that you can use to do that and the place where you can sell those gigs and make money like that. Before that, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also, if you like our video, click like button on the bottom of the video, and be sure to watch the entire video because in the middle I will announce the new competition method where you can earn up to £10 per winner. So I'm gonna announce that in the middle of the video, so watch that video continuously. The first tool is called colorizing. This is the tool called colourise.sg. So okay, we can use this tool to colorize images, black and white images into color. So there's a gigs on the website which I'm going to show you. People are asking to color black and white photos. So for example, I can color new photos. So we can go and download, or already download that. You can see it from here. This is the coloring for the second part, but I already download the coloring image. So what I have to do is come to this website and click I'm not a robot and you need to select the cars. Yes, have you done that? And select the image that you want to color it out. So I already download that image here and click open. Again, it will take a couple of seconds to load. Then you have to do is only you need to slide a bar on the image in order to color that image. You can see this is our original image, black and white, and if you slide that bar here, it's colored, automatic colored for you. It's a digital color. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is download that result and send it back to your customer, and you can make money like that. So the first way is you're gonna color black and white images. So if we want to do, we can do one more one. So type black and white. Let's see if we can color different images. So for example, maybe come and pick one. So say for example you pick a cat. Everyone like a cat, right? So download, it's free. So you can, if you have a free time, go into this website and check it out yourself. Go upload a bunch of black and white images and check it out. You can color everything up. So we can select a new color new photo. Okay, we need to do that first. Okay, we need to select where is the image. Okay, here's the image. Open up, and we need to select this one. Okay, we select new photo. And let's see what happens. You can see from here your black and white photos is automatically colored for you guys, and you can download this and send it to the customer. The second part is removing background. The first tool I am using is called picmakers, and the second one is everyone know is called Canva. So both tools now have the setting that you can remove the background automatically. So I want to make sure which is doing better job than others. So there's a Canva. I already uploaded a picture. Click that picture, and this go to effect and remove background, and go to picmakers. It's the same thing. You can create a free account with them, and you can create a YouTube thumbnail like a Canva, but also you can remove background images from picmakers. So we close this part, and we already upload that image. Just see if we have already there. And yes, there's the image. Once you loaded the image, there's a section that you can remove the background automatically. Then you can go to here and click the magic tool. It will take a couple of seconds in order to remove the images. So yes, proceed, and you go back to Canva, and let's see, this is automatically done for you. You can see, you can zoom it out and see there's a crispy image. You can see there's no overdone or less done. You can see entire background is removed from here. But on PicMaker, their tools is completely new, but it will take for the complicated image I recommend Canva rather than the PicMaker. It's because I'm going to show the example why I prefer Canva for the complicated image like this one. You can see if we remove body, still you can see there's some background, and also the leaf is missing, but on a Canva you can see the leaf is present and there's no background at all. So these are the free tools you're going to use. The first one is colourise.sg, to remove to color the black and white images, and you have a PicMaker to remove background images, and also Canva for the background remover. But I recommend Canva is better than PicMaker for removing background. And now we know the toolkit and two new free tools that you can use to do that, but where you can sell this and make money like that. Before that, the competition is, all you have to do is, if you are new to my subscribers or my old subscriber, what you have to do, click that like button on the video, and on the comment section you have to type I like this video and put your PayPal email address. And I will only do this competition if I get 100 like on this video. If I get 100 like on the next video or coming after the video, I will do the giveaway on live, so I don't have to pick any name. I just go to the comment section and pick one winner. But I will only do that if this video get 100 likes, and you have to do is type I like this video and put your PayPal email address. So the way you can sell this gig, the first place is called Fiverr. It's automatically the first freelancer website here. So I already doing this gig on Fiverr. Say I'm removing a background using Canva, and the remove BG now is paid too, so you can't use that. But if you want to spend money, go there and you can use that. But you can see people are charging £8, £12 and £24 removing background images, guys. The second website is called people per hour. You can still see £12 per hour, 16 per hour, 39 per hour to removing background. And the third one is called Upwork. Again, you can see from here $10 per hour and $5 per hour. This person earned over 10,000 by removing background images. And you can see 18 per hour, and you can see 75 per hour and over 30,000 earned, guys. So you can make money by removing image backgrounds from the images and coloring black and white images. And these two new gigs, I already showed the two new tools that you can use it for free, and the platform that you can sell to make money. Also, don't forget to remember that if you want to win a £10 PayPal cash, subscribe, like, and the comment section write I like this video and put your PayPal address. When I reach 100 likes on this video, I will do the giveaway on next video, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.